Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on My Life on a Hill. My name is Tracy and this is my Patreon account. Please go ahead and support me there. It's patreon.com/nailroomtalk. I talk about different issues of being a mom, a wife, and just life while I do beautiful nails. So today I want to decorate this. It's my Hello Kitty AirPods case. And I've had it for a little bit now, so it's kind of, fingerprints over it a little bit dirty, but I'll be using rhinestones, different color, clear, yellow, and pink in order to decorate it. And I wanted to use a E6000 glue, which I normally use to adhere all my bling blings when it comes to objects. But my room was so cold that it would not even come off the toothpick. But make sure you, whenever you want to do this on objects, make sure you always clean the surface with alcohol pad, just to clean off any residue or anything that might stay on it, to prevent anything to stick on it. And those are the rhinestones I'll be using in the E6000 glue, like I showed you. But I kept this in there so you could see what I was talking about. So I picked it up with a toothpick and I am trying to put it on the nose, and it would just like peel right off, like it would just come off the toothpick. I tried it with the brush, it would come right off. So I went to my Orly Builder in a Bottle and I tried that. But if you guys know how much Orly Builder in a Bottle costs, you would think twice to do something like this for the fun of it. So I will use this for the nose, and then eventually I will switch up to something else, which I got from AliExpress, and it wasn't that expensive. The Orly bottle right there builds nails, like nails extension. Instead of a acrylic, you would use that. It's an awesome product. I love it. And but what happened is, like, on sale it's like 24 bucks. So it's kind of pricey to put on my Hello Kitty, and it's not like actually extending nails. So these are some of the rhinestones I'll be using. And the rhinestone case I got from AliExpress, and it holds literally, like, those little container right there holds like at least 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 10 of those containers. And I like it because then I could take out the little container. When you take it out, it comes out the little four little squares like that. And I like it better than actually trying to take out, like, and trying to reach in the bottom of the one that just has the partition. The rhinestones were becoming temperamental. Again, my room was extremely cold. I have a vent in there, but it doesn't have insulation, so therefore the room stays cold or hot depending on the season. And just to show you how it's looking, what I like about this too is that you can cure it when you're ready. And I use my little handheld lamp just to give it a quick cure so it doesn't move while I move on to the rest of the parts of the Hello Kitty. So this is the glue I will be switching up to, just because like I said, I don't want to waste my Orly Builder in a Bottle, where this one I'm probably didn't even pay more than $2 for it. It's almost finished anyways, and then I will cure it when I am done in the regular lamp instead of the handheld one. The handheld one will just cure it so it doesn't move around if you accidentally touch it, but it doesn't I won't trust to allow that to be your final cure. So anything that you want to go ahead and put bling bling on, I do recommend the E6000 glue. Just be careful if you're a person that's allergic to different things. Read the ingredients, because it says, a lot of warning signs, and to be enclosed is not really safe. So that was another reason why I was glad to put that aside for today, because my room was so cold that I didn't want to open the windows, and I normally keep the fan on to get anything out the room. And please ignore my jacked up nails. If you saw my last video, is with Kobe and Gigi's pictures on my nails, rest in peace. And there were time to come off, because I like them to come off whole, so I get to save my nails at the end. And I have a board that I put them on, so I didn't want to cut them off and soak them in acetone and ruin the nails. But look at my previous video. Actually, this one before it is a headboard that I did, and before that one is that nail video that I did. I've had the Lakers decal for a long time and wanted a reason to put it on, and then the season came and went, and then finally came again this time. And unfortunately, I didn't want this to be the reason I wore them, but it was, I love how they came out, and I wanted to represent, because my husband is a diehard Laker fan, diehard Kobe fan, and it's just horrific what happened, and it just breaks my heart for them and everyone else that lost their lives, but in the helicopter crash. So, and for the family that's left behind and have to grieve such a horrible situation. So anyways, so if you decide to, like I said, do anything where you put rhinestones on it, you know, the E6000 glue works very well. And just make sure your room is insulated. And if not, in this case, I just use Builder in a bottle. And I see Cardi B's nail tech, she has her gel that she uses, and she also adhere her stones on her regular nails, on nails, of course, but also on different objects. I've seen her promote it as that. I put one on a hat. In the previous video I did a Nike hat, I used that, and they're still on. But at the end of this video, I will go ahead and do a final top coat to actually help seal it. These are not Swarovski's crystals, but oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. If I literally put them next to each other, and where I get my rhinestones from, she's like, they're like the same, you know, or without the name. And so because of that, I'm able to put the top coat on it, and it doesn't damage the rhinestones. It actually makes it glitter more. Yeah, so I did that. And actually I learned a little trick from Femi Beauty. I love her show. I've learned so much from her. I'm a licensed nail tech, but I've only been licensed since March, and I think she says she's not licensed, but she has it going on, you know. She has a nice video, nice followers. And I started my life on a hill for basically doing anything goes, but I was really strictly doing crafts. So if you have baby showers or different things like that you're trying to get ideas for, I have a lot of those in my video, so go ahead and check out those. And so I quit for a while doing YouTube because it was getting exhausted and costly, and the payout wasn't that great. But I figure, you know, once I'm doing something for myself anyways, might as now. I started back up, like, because I started doing nails, and I figured, you know, if I'm going to do something and it's not going to be costly, like, you know, when I was doing the crafts, why wasn't doing anything with them afterwards? I just put them in my basement. But now I'm doing nails, and like right now I'm doing my Hello Kitty case that I'm keeping it, so it's not like it's going away. So I've got these hot pink rhinestones for like forever, you guys, forever. I'm like, what am I going to do with them? So I put them in my box, my drawer for nails, and this is actually the first time I'm able to use it. And I'm so happy, because I'm like, I'm a bright color person. Very, very bright. I love bright colors. So I was thinking, when am I ever going to use this? And then I have so much rhinestones for my nails, and I have rhinestones to do t-shirts. So it has the little glue in the back of the rhinestone. But anyways, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and decorate all this. And even though the pink is a little bit different than this pink, it doesn't show a big difference. And I kind of just wanted the Hello Kitty face to stand out with different colors, and instead of just clear crystals. So guys, if you like what I do and you like this, can you please share it for me? You don't have to share literally my YouTube channel, which would be nice, but you could share the video and they will still be able to find it there. So if you decide to do that, I just want to thank you in advance for doing that. And also, if you have any suggestion of what you would like to see me do, please don't hesitate to leave it on a comment. And please don't do thumbs down, or I don't need any negative opinions or ideas or anything negative on my stuff, because one, you know, you sit behind your phone or your computer and you make nasty comments to people. And why is it just doesn't make sense to me why people have to be so nasty. You know, one time I watched a video that says they were going to teach me something. I forgot what it was. I watched a whole video and didn't learn whatever it was they said. I could have put, this was a waste of time, you know, because it meant waste of time. But why be me? Just continue and try to find it somewhere else. And that's what I did. So, you know, I've seen people put thumbs down. Like, I don't even know why YouTube allow people to do thumbs down. It's like, why? Just not because it's there. The middle finger, in emoji is there, but why use it? You know, I can understand maybe something happened, but why use it? You know, like, because it's there doesn't mean you could just insult people, you know. So just be kind. Remember to be kind. I mean, remember what you do and what you dish out will come back to you, you know. And I always hear 10 times. So I always try to be nice, and plus it feels good to be nice. So anyways, just keep watching me adhere these stones. I must say, this is one of the projects that I've done that didn't require so much time. Like when I do my shoes, bling bling my shoes, is like, oh my gosh, am I ever gonna finish? So actually would do one side one day, another side another day, then hit the other foot and one side the next day. But it gets done. Actually, I have some, I think it's Air Max green, that I want to bling bling too, and I think that might be coming up this week, if not next week. So go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell, the notification bell, so that when my videos do come up, you will be the first to see them. And then the more people start watching them, the more I'm gonna give contests and give a shout out to who were the first to make a comment, something like that. So anyways, in the meantime, I hope again, if you do decide to bling bling anything, the E6000 glue is the best option. And like I said, I did these with just gel polish, not gel polish, but gel, builder gel. And then I cured it. I did a quick cure, and then when everything was done, I did a final cure. I kind of was scared to put the whole thing in the lamp. I see I'm putting on my top coat now on everything. And then when you're done with the top coat, since this is a regular, it's not a no wipe top coat, you have to wipe it with alcohol pad in order to take away the stickiness, and which I needed to do that anyways, just to end up cleaning off the rest of the any fingerprints that could be on it, just to go ahead and do that. So inside the Hello Kitty, when you open it, is kind of dirty, so I have to clean it as well. But the top keeps slipping. You know, the case from AliExpress, so sometimes you kind of, you know, get what you pay for. And I think I didn't even pay nothing more than $3 for it, so you kind of get what you pay for. So I went ahead and tried to clean up the inside, and then put so this is the alcohol pad to take off any stickiness. Already had cured it for the full 30 seconds, and I think I did these for 60 seconds and clean up the inside. And so I'm taking right here, but I don't know why I did, like a fool that I am. I decided to put a little bit in order, because you see the top is easy to come off. It's very easy to come off, but I put it on there, so just a little bit, so that if I need to pop it off. But I realized that the light doesn't go through solid color, so it didn't work. So I ended up using the E6000 glue, and just put a little bit in there, so that the earpiece, because the top part could stay on a little bit better. And if it's something you want to change your case another time, then you could just peel it away and pop off. You know, take out a little X-Acto knife and just scrape off the top. Remember, if you don't know the look at that, guys, that's gorgeous. Look at that. The E6000 glue dries pretty fast, but again, it dries a funny way. If it depends on the temperature. That's a little gold thing that I'm getting ready to do on my nails, but it was on my desk. I hope you like it, guys. Please don't forget to share. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And even if you're not ready right now to support me on my patreon.com, go check it out and see what I have over there. You guys take care, be nice, be kind, and no negativity. Take care. Bye bye now.